Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to transfer money from Gcash to PayPal. So simply, first of all, you can see Gcash app in my mobile, and now I'm going to install PayPal. So if you already have PayPal account, then you can also get the PayPal credit card. So what you need to do, just you have to go to Gcash and sign up for Gcash if you already have a Gcash account. So simply, what you need to understand that there is no direct method to transfer money from Gcash to PayPal. So what you need to do, you have to link a same account in Gcash and the same account in PayPal. So first of all, you have to transfer money from Gcash to your personal bank account and then into PayPal. So in this way you can only transfer money from or transfer funds from Gcash to PayPal. So there is no direct method. You can also transfer through personal bank account.